In front of me is OPPO Reno15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Notifications and Quick Settings. Now scroll again to choose Manage All next to App Notifications, and after sorting your apps by hitting Most Recent and tapping on one of those options, Recent, Frequency, All or Turned Off, use blue switchers next to your apps to block notifications from them, or gray ones to switch them back on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!